Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a keyboard to your Xbox. It's a straightforward process. Simply take your standard USB keyboard and plug its cable into any one of the 3 available USB ports on your Xbox console. The system is designed to automatically detect and configure most keyboards, allowing you to start using it for text input and navigation almost immediately after connection. No complex setup is typically required. Once connected, your keyboard becomes a powerful tool for text entry across your Xbox. You can effortlessly type messages to friends, enter search queries, and fill out forms within various applications and games. While it excels at text input and menu navigation, it's important to remember that not every game supports keyboard controls for actual gameplay. Always check the specific game settings for compatibility. For those preferring a clutter-free setup, wireless USB keyboards are an excellent option. These typically come with a small USB dongle. Just plug this dongle into one of your Xbox's USB ports. If you plan to connect multiple peripherals, such as a keyboard, mouse, and headset, consider using a powered USB hub. This ensures stable power delivery and reliable connections for all your devices. If your keyboard isn't working as expected, start by ensuring it's firmly plugged into the USB port. Sometimes, simply trying a different USB port on your Xbox can resolve the issue. Be aware that some highly specialized or gaming keyboards with advanced features might require specific drivers that the Xbox operating system does not support, limiting their full functionality. Most standard keyboards, however, should work seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.